Principal Mamaseyo. Thank you for the opportunity to promote the TVL Home Economics Trends. So my name is Jan Anthony Luay, and I am a proud senior high school TVL Home Economics learner under the advisory class of Mr. Cyrus Deo Amante. So amin ang advisor, Sir Deo. So, share ko lang na-experience during ang grade 11 ako ngayon ng grade 12. So, I choose Home Economics Trend because I've been a witness to the different fun activities of Sir Deo's class even when I was still in my junior high school days. So, junior high pala ako, nakikita ko na in a classroom, so ito nagluluto-luto na enjoyable ito na ginihin mo. More on skills sila. Although nagluto ng academics, pero hands-on nila. Like pagluluto, di nila magpipina sa module, having process there. Magluluto talaga ka mo, gagamit. Ano yung mga anak, magbabaron magluto. So, proceed na. I've been a follower of the Technopreneurs, the Facebook page of Sir Deo, in which he posts the different performance tasks of his students. It was assuming to see the procedure products and performances that looks good and aesthetic. So, but I was able to experience it myself when our class were able to attend the Home Economics Open House Tour and Exhibit. So, ang grade 10 pala kami, nagkamay din ng Open House Tour and HE, which is, ako yan na. So, ginivite kami na mag-attend na nila Open House Tour para ma-encourage kami na mag-take po ng nila strand. So, amat to, baka pag-attend na mo na to, hindi kami talaga na kapag-HE, pero ako, naintindihan ko kaya maupit HE yapon. So, amat to. I remember it was a month before our moving up. So, amat to, nagkamay na ng open house tour before pa kami mag-moving up. And yung mga anak, before mag-moving up, nagkamay na kami ito kuwan, exhibit yapon. So, it was like their way of promoting the strand. Our former seniors who graduated last year was able to invite us when I was in grade 10 to visit the school Home Economics Laboratory. So, ang mga ito, ipakatawa nila room, ipakita nila kamo na nila gimbubuhan, kung nagaan nila mga outputs, nga, kung nila ni Parawan. Tapos, ang mga ito, they were able to demonstrate to us how to fold table napkins, skirt the table, make cupcakes, pizza, pie, and even make pasta from scratch. So hanggang to, nakato kami, demonstrate na ito nila, ipakita nila kung ginano pag-design. So, ini nga TVL HEs, nagtututugin na pag-design. Mga catering, kung napansin yung mga catering, di ba, mag-open mga design, mga lamisa. So, hanggang ito ibubuhan nga, tutugya po na kung paano maglutong cupcakes, and etc. So, it was an eye-opener and fun day for me.